Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Junebug. My name is Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning for this song, and the introduction has 4 power chords to play. What we do at the beginning is play 0, 2, 2 on the top 3 strings, and we play that 4 times. And I'm also going to palm mute that, and all I mean by that is taking this part of my hand, resting it lightly on the strings to get this partially muted type of sound. Don't press down too hard, just a little bit. And we play that 4 times like I say, before taking a power chord shape up to fret 4 on the A string, 6, 6 on the D and G. Just playing those 3 strings. Again, 4 times. So when you put that with the first part we get, we then take that shape down to fret 2, that's a B power chord, but we only play that 3 times. Because we jump early to the final power chord we need, which is the open A, 2, 2 on the D and G. And we play that 5 times. So we have the E power chord, C sharp, B, open A. And when you loop that around a little bit faster, we get... For the introduction, you're going to play that round twice, and in fact, when the first verse kicks in, you're going to loop that round a further 4 times. Now, before we talk about when things change a little bit, it is worth mentioning that if you'd like the chord chart for this song, which has the full structure and all the chords within that structure, as well as another sheet of the chords and lyrics matched together, let's say you're singing or playing along, and you need to know exactly which chord and which lyric match together, head on over to Patreon. I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 800 songs of all the latest releases, including 1 or 2 songs from this artist as well. So feel free to check that out. However, let's delve into when things change. So after a chorus where we loop around the same chords yet again 4 times, we have a very heavy distorted part. Now that's on electric guitar, but we can play exactly the same on an acoustic guitar. And what we're going to do is just take the same chords, but we're going to add a little bit more to what we're playing. So that E power chord, if you were to play it with those 2 fingers, you could add this finger on to fret 1 of the G string, which makes a bit of an E major chord. You could phrase it like this as well. But basically we have, so I'm just aiming to get that extra 4th string in. And I'm playing it 4 times just like I normally do, but nice and loud. I'm not palm muting it anymore. I then build up almost a full bar chord with 4, 6, 6 like we had earlier, but now including this finger here on fret 5 of the B string and playing almost a full bar chord 4 times. So we have, then we're going to go to the B power chord, but we're going to have to phrase it like this because we have this finger included, fret 4 on the B, and then we can slide those fingers down to an A major chord, like that. So all together we have... And that, looped around a few times, will get you the loud chorus. After that, basically, we get repetition. We get the palm muted chords. And later on in the song, we go back to the heavy chords that I've just played. So if you play all those chords, you get the full song. So if you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and consider getting that extra material on Patreon. Just like everyone will floating by on the screen who are my active patrons. There's over 125 of us at the moment, and that is an absolute brand new record of this week. Absolutely chuffed that there's that many people who want to get access to my content. So thanks to them for their support. Thanks to you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.